we have 2 door stations and 2 indoor stations. The function we want to realize is that we can call from these 2 door stations, and when we push the button, both of these 2 indoor stations can receive the caller message, just like this. So how can we realize this function? Just follow me and check the configuration. First of all, we have to activate the indoor station by inputting the new password. Then we have to select the language. In this page, we can configure the network parameters, including IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. Because my device is not connected with the internet, so I just make all of these parameters as default. And then we can check the indoor station settings. First of all, I want to make this device as the main indoor station, so for device type, I select it as the indoor station instead of the indoor extension. And also you can make the floor number and room number according to your requirement. Registration password is very important. If we did not set this registration password, the indoor station and the door station cannot communicate with each other. And also, if you have the indoor extension, you can enable this function, and then you can activate the other indoor station here. You can see the stator is activated. Also, you can configure the IP address for this indoor station. And we have to refresh it until the IP address configured successfully. The next page is for the high connect survey settings. So if you connect your system to the internet, you can also add this main indoor station to your high connect mobile application so that you can receive the caller message and open the door remotely whenever and wherever you are. If you want to realize this function, you have to enable the service, and if you want to have a higher security level, you can also enable and input the code. The next step is for door station setting. So here we can activate the door station. And also we can change the IP address according to our requirement. And then we can select the main door station which we want to connect to our main indoor station. So now we have already finished all of the procedure which we need to do from this indoor station. So I just need to click the finish button to exit the wizard. And then we need to go to settings, advanced settings, configuration, input the admin password. And go to device management. The main door phone settings. Select this door station as the door phone to be connected with our main indoor station. back to the main page. After all of this configuration, we can try to call from the door station. But only this indoor station will receive the caller message. So now we have to do the configuration for this indoor station. For this indoor station, we have to make it as the sub-indoor station. So we have to go to Settings, Advanced Settings, Configuration, input the admin password. We have to select the indoor station type as indoor extension. And then we have to go back to the Settings, Advanced Settings, Configuration, and input the admin password once again. Don't forget to configure the registration password, which is very important. Then go to Device Management. Input the IP address for the main indoor station. Back to the main page. Now if I push the calling button from the door station, we can receive the caller message from both of these two indoor stations. Also, we can do the live view from the indoor station. And we can open the door remotely.
The door is open.
This is our VLAN door station, and it has the card reader here. So how can we add the normal card to this VLAN door station? In the package of the device, you will find this master card with the serial number. This card is very important because if you lose it, we do not have any spare. So if you want to add the normal card to this VLAN door station, first of all, we have to swap the master card and then swap the normal card. Once again, master card. Now you can use this normal card to open the door.
The door is open.